Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Sick Bear. Welcome back to a little quick video.
The speed is up to you.
It's for an unboxing review. Not really actually a review. I know a couple things actually be in there, but of course one was a big surprise. I am talking about a package from Mack SF himself. Of course, his husband Rob. Back in September 15th, I launched one of my favorite videos. I know it's about one of his books called 11 Days of Sergeant Tate. Of course, Rob, I did mention he reached out to me the same day that night when the video came out. Of course, we got to talking, all this great stuff. I already had things planned I wanted to get from Mac, but he wanted to include something else special in there too. So this is what it's about. I'm not really good at unboxing reviews kind of situation, so I'm just gonna try to set the camera correctly and try to open this blade up safely to where I don't cut myself. Alright, let me grab the box real quick. Alright, so of course we have the beautiful box. It's a fantastic, actually, you can see. There you go. Is that better? Alright, so, first I kind of want to be careful with this, because, you know, I don't want to cut anything up. Actually, let me change the angle. Sorry. Okay. What do you think? Better? I know I'm not in the shot, but it's okay. I'm just cutting it open. There we are. Probably not as satisfying as most. Alright. Here we are, my man. Perfect. Oh, that's cool. It actually comes with a little ziploc. Hell yeah. Oh, that's pretty sick, man. Oh, shit. You can't really... You take it out. There we are, man. That is sick. Fuck yeah. Hopefully it fits my big ass head. Oh no. Sorry, I'm gonna save this for later because, you know, of course, it's very special. This. All the glory shirts.
Hey, fuckhole, come here.
That's so cool, man. Seriously. That is freaking awesome. And I got the hat. Look at that. Dude. It's pretty fucking cool. It's a little snug, but, you know, it'll open up.
Thank you, sir.
There we are. Look at that. That's sick. Holy shit. Hell yeah, man. Fucking Mac. That's so cool. Hell yeah. Fucking love it. That's perfect. Alright. So, the thing I wanted to say earlier is of course, you know, this is a big deal to me. Because when he told me about it, I believe he said that there's actually only 12 of these made. And some of his best buddies got some. And then, of course, I was just fortunate enough they actually had a large, so that made me very happy to hear that. But yes, I think it's better if I just put it on, right? What do you think? I think I should just put it on. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on.
Step over here and strip for us.
And there we have it. Hell yeah! Holy shit! That is so fucking cool, man. Holy crap. Oh yeah. If trying to get better lighting, sorry the sun's fucking completely out. That is fucking awesome. What the hell? Hell yeah. Dude, what the that is sick. Hell yeah. Fuck dude, I love this. Sorry. This is so cool. Man. Oh, it feels so good.
We're sorry.
No, this is sick, man. This is a very cool shirt, man. I'm so fortunate to have one of these. Seriously, I wouldn't have this if it wasn't for YouTube. Again, like I said, man, really keep doing what you want to do. Guaranteed things will work out fantastic. I'm very excited with the shirt. I'm looking forward to wearing it more often. Oh, hang on. I gotta test the other one out too, cause you know, this guy right here. Dude, this is fucking sick. Yeah, hell yeah. It's cool, man. Rob, Mac, thank y'all so much. Seriously, really appreciate this. Very fortunate. I'm gonna be rocking that shirt here in a little bit. I'll definitely do some more recording today. I'm gonna get right back to House of Beef, but I just definitely want to do this for Rob. Really appreciate it again. Big Wolf to all you guys. See you in a minute. Later. Bye.